Maryland Spotlight. It's all about Maryland living.
Welcome to Maryland Spotlight. I'm Kim Knight. Well, mark your calendars for Sunday, June 8th. It is the Community Block Party at the JCC. Joining me is the President, Barack Herman, and you are the Senior Program Director, Paul Laurie. Thanks for being here today, guys.
Thank you for having us, Kim.
First time event. Tell me about it.
So about a year ago, we envisioned having a big community block party to really celebrate everything that we do at the JCC and offer our community. And we talked more and more about the program, Kim, and realized that we really just didn't want to showcase what the JCC was about. We want to be a convener of community, and we wanted to showcase all of our great partners and what they also offer the entire community. So it's going to be not just about the JCC, but everybody around Owings Mills,
coming together and learning what's around them as far as organizations.
To be involved in community.
That's great. Well, tell me, Paul, about some of the activities that are going on.
So we're really excited. It's going to be a free, fun family festival with inflatables, rock wall, moon bounces, festival-style food. We have a great stage that's going to have Milkshake performing during the day.
Very
and some
popular
other great
with the
performers.
kids.
Yeah, Milkshake's amazing. Yeah. You know, we're going to have photo booths and face painters and balloon artists and tons of activities for kids to kind of participate in all day long. And we're going to have a lot of great partners there working with us.
Over 50 vendors as well.
Over 50 vendors selling stuff that day.
That's
it's
incredible.
going to be great.
And also there's an after party.
Yeah, so when the party ends at 3 o'clock, join us in the Shapiro Rec Park. We have a fantastic pool complex. We're inviting everybody to come join us for some more music, entertainment down at the pool, and kind of have fun from 3 to 6.
That sounds great. Now, tell me, Barack, about the sponsors.
So we couldn't pull this off on our own, and we really wanted it to be free. We wanted no barrier for anybody to come and get involved. So our Associated, who's our partner, the Associated Combined Jewish Philanthropy, Stevenson University, Maryland Public Television, LifeBridge Health. You know, we had the opportunity to sit down with all the heads of these organizations, and they got on board and gave us the resources we need to showcase what's the best of Baltimore.
And Jim Source, I hear there's a giveaway or a raffle for a $5,000 elliptical.
We're really excited. Jim Source is donating one of the ellipticals. We just got some great new fitness equipment from them, and one of those pieces of equipment is going to be raffled off. So the raffle is going to be for the few weeks leading up to the event. The actual drawing will be that day as an opportunity to kind of help sponsor the event. And we have 52 great partner organizations that are going to be there that day running activities and kind of helping to convene community with us.
Great. So, and that's what it's all about. That's what you want everybody to take away from this event.
Yeah, what's also been really great along with those sponsors, Kim, is just our vendors have all stepped up also, from Lithorian Pools and other people that we do business throughout the year, Brickman Landscaping. Everyone came together to really celebrate what we were trying to achieve that day.
That's great. Well, we wanted to direct everybody to your website so that they can get some more information on the event on June 8th, and that's jcc.org.
Pretty simple website.
There you go. All right, well, good luck. Congratulations on your first event, and we hope to do it more.
Thanks for having us.
And thanks for joining us today on Maryland Spotlight.